What's up guys, Ethan here with South Boston Strength. Today we're going to be going over a 3-point stance row, alright? If this is in your program and you found this video that way, hopefully it helps you clean up the form and gives you some things to think about as far as cues to get it right. If you just found this video, just surfing the web, hopefully it gives you a new exercise to add to your repertoire, or if you already know what it is, maybe it'll give you some things to help you clean up the form a little bit, alright? So basically what you need here is a single weight for the 3-point stance row, and then something to put your hand on. You can use the wall if you have to, but I like to have like the back of a bench or a box or something like that, all right? So depending on what's available to you, if it's roughly just above the knee height or even a little higher, that should be fine, all right? So the setup for this exercise is going to be a staggered stance, and then the hand of the leg that's in front will be planted on whatever you're using for your surface, all right? Hence the 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Those are our 3 points of contact, all right? Now, from the back heel up to like the back of my head, it should be a fairly straight line, all right? So in other words, you don't want to just be like this. You want to really get nice and low and sort of stiffen out that back leg. That's going to give you a real solid base of support, and it's going to really help you focus on the lat, okay? So I'll give you an example of a few reps. What you should be thinking about once you get the stance right is really pulling low with that elbow, almost like you're putting that elbow in your pocket. You don't want to just pull up like that. That's going to be too much rear delt, upper back. We're really going for the lats here, okay? Some of those other pull muscles will be secondary movers, and that's fine, but this is mainly going to be a lat exercise for us in our programming, okay? So I'm going to demonstrate a few reps. Make sure you get the setup right. This arm is straight, light bend in this first knee, back leg is straight. So the hips are extended, knees extended, and I'm kind of up on that back toe, all right? So it'll help if you're using a kettlebell to kind of grab the bottom of the kettlebell. If you're using a dumbbell, you can do the same thing. This is just going to help kind of pull that weight back at an angle, okay? So let's grab this. Boom. Now I'm feeling a strong contraction of my lat there because I'm pulling back at an angle, thinking about putting my elbow in my pocket or getting it to meet with the bottom of my rib cage down here, sort of at the bottom where the lat is, really. That's where you're, boom, putting the elbow, okay? So I'll do a few more reps. Obviously, it's the same on the other side. And when you come down, you can let yourself get a nice stretch. You can let that shoulder come forward a little bit, get a good stretch. That'll kind of promote scapular motion. Then you set that scap and boom, bury that elbow all in one motion, all right? Start light on this one, like with most other exercises, until you feel like you're comfortable with it and you're really getting connected with those lower fibers of your lat. And then you can sort of slowly, incrementally creep up, all right? So with that, that's the 3-point stance row, and I will see you guys in the next one, all right?